we are here in Marceline, Missouri at the Hotel Marceline. Now this may look just like your standard kind of motel where you park outside your door, but this hotel has really taken a good pickup with its Disney tie, and they are actually theming their rooms after different resorts at Walt Disney World, which is totally genius. Now, the one we are staying in is the Wilderness Lodge room, and it is actually that second floor you can see up there. I'm going to come in and up the stairs. More windows. To our right is this beautiful kitchen, which would be quite at home at a much larger house. And they even have dishes and glasses and various things you'd use to cook with. They do not have Joffrey's coffee or the H2O line of shampoo and stuff, which they really should. Okay, here's the TV, and we're going to come down the hallway. The bathroom is to the right. This is where I look around. There it is. The bathroom is to the right, and it has, I think this is a shower tub. And just look how huge this is. It's a bathroom with its own closet. And look at this. Oh, yeah, that must have to be off so you can see it. That's all kind of awesome. All right, then we're coming back out. That's a cleaning stuff closet. Here's the bedroom. First, number one, there are two bedrooms. That's the door into the bathroom, which is still huge. We've got a table and chairs, another television, Mickey-themed hangers. And down at the end of the hall is an even bigger bedroom with two beds and its own private balcony. And there's also a balcony for general use outside the kitchen. And that's it. And it was about $170 a night. And my gosh, how many thousands would this cost if it actually was at Walt Disney World? They could do the theming a little better, but I think they have done a marvelous job. There's the other balcony. Want to wave goodbye, Kelly? Thank you for joining us on another Trundlebed Tales, right in the corner where you are. Have you stayed someplace near Marceline? Comment and tell us about it. Having spent the night, I have to say, for a place that was supposedly just done last year, there's a lot more little cracks and stuff than you originally think. The outside apparently was not painted at that same time. But the furniture is all really nice. I think really fit kind of the theme of Wilderness Lodge, and they had lots of pictures of Bambi up. The faucet in the kitchen was weird because instead of pulling it forward to turn it on, you had to push it back. The light actually in the bathroom sink turned on when the lights were on. It was just harder to see. Anything else? The beds were really comfortable. The shower was a bit odd. It also, you had to move it a different direction, so make sure you do that before you get in, and you had to run it a little bit before the hot water came on. But other than that, it was really great. So I still recommend the Wilderness Lodge room at Hotel Marceline, right in the corner where you are.